Let it bang, bang.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Bro Industries Motorsports here. Today we're getting back on the 69 Mustang. We're going to work on doing the frame rail sections in the rear of this unibody today. So we're going to start with getting everything out of the trunk here, get the gas tank out, so we're cutting and grinding out the existing frame rails. We don't spark anything and accidentally catch ourselves on fire or blow up another fuel tank in our face. Axle, get the leaves off, get everything out of the way, and then start hacking up and cutting out these pre-existing frame rails before we put in our new ones. And then after that, we're gonna move into doing the floor pans on this guy, both the front section here and the back extension pieces as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get down to that. Travis, you got anything you want to say?
Ready to go. Let's get it done.
All right, fuel tank's unbolted, time to pull it out. Let me make sure it's not snagging the fuel line. There. That'll be a lot easier to get out now. Here she goes. Been in better shape, been JB welded a couple times, it looks like already, so good thing this one's getting replaced. It's going in the trash. A nice big gaping hole here now. Alright, let's cut some frame rails.
Let's get her down. What are you doing there, guy?
Oh, you know, just trying to get the leaf spring out. It probably hasn't come out since 1969.
Let me try to get a better angle here. That. Got it. Look how old that is.
What's that booty drop?
Look at that.
Something disgusting. Check this out. Gotcha. Catch the car on fire. Anything? Jesus fucking Christ. It's really in there.
Yeah, it's a lot thicker than you think.
Wow. Seriously? I think we got the one. So what if we pry it out?
Maybe.
There you go. Give her a wedgie.
This piece of chrome.
Alright guys, finally got the rear axle completely unhooked from the body of the car here.
Let's get her out.
Go ahead and get her pulled out. All the brake lines, drive lines. Shock didn't quite come out all the way, so the leaves didn't fare too well on this one. I'm gonna have to replace those. The axle's gonna get completely stripped down, drums too, and then we're gonna repaint everything and make it look nice and fresh again. But yeah, the axle's out of the car, guys. Time to start cutting out the frame rails. I'm gonna go ahead and put those new ones in and keep this thing structurally sound again. Well, there you have it, guys. Today didn't quite get as much done as we were hoping to, but did manage to get the rear end pulled out. We're gonna have to go ahead and finish cutting the frame rails out tomorrow. We ended up selling a car, so I have to deal with the buyer for a couple hours, and he's now getting it picked up, get it towed home. But for the time being, rear end is out of the Mustang.